Hello everybody, I hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is the rest of my collage wall for right now. I'm going to get some more probably at the end of the month when I get paid again. I got all of these on Amazon. These were super cheap. They were like 15 cents each, guys. They were 15 cents, and I got 10 of them. I'm going to be putting these on my wall tonight. I am super stoked, and then I'm going to get 5 at a time because I don't want to get confused or frustrated. So I normally have been doing 5 at a time. I got to get some more tape on Amazon actually. So these came through the mail. So I actually got them a couple hours ago. I'm really happy with them. Amazon did a great job with them. So this is part of my collage wall for 2021. And like I said, I'm going to be doing 5 more probably at the end of the month and in March. And if you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you don't, you never know if I'm going to upload or not. Thanks for watching and have a good day.